How to make friendship bracelets using your Liberty scraps. Let's go. Oh, and as you can see, they are super easy to adjust in size. One fit for all if you like. And this is what you'll need. Liberty scraps, and I cut mine 1/2 inch wide. Then you will need beads. I like these square ones, and they have quite a big hole. And finally, you will need this beader tool. I will link it for you below. Super affordable, and you can use it over and over again. Now, start by sliding on your beads onto your easy beader tool. Just like this. Now, take your strip of fabric and slide it through just like this. And now carefully pull your beads over your strip of fabric. And that's it, super easy. I like to roll the fabric a bit now, but that's personal taste. And finally, the adjustable knot. Grab one end of your bracelet and create a knot just like this. Now take the other end and pull it through the loop. Tighten up your knot a little and that's it. Let's do this one more time, but I'll speed it up for you a little. And that's it, super cute bracelets made out of your favorite scraps. Perfect for all the Swifties out there, but of course you can also make them for party gifts, baby showers, teacher gifts, and the list goes on. Quick warning though, they are super addictive to make. I bet you won't be able to stop at just 1 or 10. But you can't say I didn't warn you. And that's a wrap. Find all the materials listed below, and I hope you enjoy this.